Hello guys, today we start to live streaming in Kuta area. We can see together how to busy today. Today and Sunday, Bali always busy. I just want to show you how the real session at the moment in Kuta area. And beside me, left side, there is Kuta Beach. But I just want to show you how the busy on the main street in Kuta area. Yeah, that is Kuta Beach. Okay, but I will explore the main street in Kuta area. So busy, isn't it? There's most people around here today. Yeah, it is busy. Okay, we continue walking to have a look exactly at the front, the biggest mall in Kuta area, on the beach walk. Yeah, it's lots of people today. That's good. And there's also some people in cafe. They just enjoy their drink while the sun set down. And also today we will try to explore how the station at the moment in Kuta Beach. And there's the waiting line for a taxi. Yeah, it's super busy today. That's good. Yeah, it is most people. Okay, we keep walking until to the main gate to go to Beach Walk Mall, the entrance. Oh, lots of people there. And also you can see the people selling something here, something like food or drink. Ya, ada yang jual, soe, ada yang jual. It's busy, isn't it? There's lots of people down there. And also you can see the from the cafe. See? Okay, we cannot make zoom. Yeah. There's so many people today, isn't it? There's massive people around here. Okay, we try to cross the street and I will show you how situation at the moment at the main gate to go to the Kuta Bali. It's very famous. See? Yeah, there is the entrance to go to Beach Walk. Beach Walk Mall. Okay. And also you can see from here how busy people there at the cafe. Hello, Timons. Yeah, it is busy. Looks so busy. There's lots of people around here. and these people waiting for a taxi. You see? Iba sama turu cak ring maturu des. Hip ya hip. Rame ya, rame. There's a lot of people around here. It's good. So busy today in Kuta Beach. But the weather today is not really good. It's like gonna be raining, I think, very soon. There's Starbucks and lots of people there. I'm sorry, I make this video without stabilizer. So the video does sometimes like move up and move down sometimes. Ya, Rosalina. Gimana kabarnya, bos? You see the bus? This is like transportation for tourism. And now busy. Okay. You see that at the front? Yeah, just too many cars. It's like traffic jam today. That's really good. And I see some tourists there. They're having drink, bintang. Actually, I just make video around maybe 15 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. How busy today in Sunday. Even the weather is not so clear, there is still lots of people come to the beach and also come to the Kuta. This is a waiting point for taxi. It's like Grab taxi around here. It's very busy, isn't it? That's really good. It's gonna be raining soon. This is bad. So what do you think about Kuta today? It's pretty busy, isn't it? There's lots of people. Massive. Lots of people today. And this, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Popis Land 2. So this is the station in Popis Land 2. There is some shop is already open today. That's good. Okay, we continue walking. And then I will show you how like the station at the moment in Kuta Beach. As we know together, during the pandemic corona, Bali was very quiet. But today, you can see it's very busy. Just a lot of car around here. That's good. Okay, I cross the street and I will show you how busy in Kuta Beach today. I think it's gonna be not so busy because it's raining season now. Oh, yeah. Yeah, welcome to Kuta Bali, Kuta Beach. More than green. Thank you. Yeah, now we are in Kuta Beach. I'm sorry, no stabilizer, the video. It's quite busy, isn't it? There's some people there. And lots of people there. Yeah, I'm gonna say like in Kuta Beach is not so busy because it's raining season now. And since this morning, the Bali is cloudy. Oh, Poppy's Land. Yeah, for sure. I will show you there. I just been there actually. It's a bit. Thank you, Tom. It's gonna be raining. Let's go to the beach. The weather is so dark, and it's sparkling coming now. Kuta Beach. Okay, we're going outside again, and we will see how they're busy at the front outside on Raya Kuta Street. See, it's very busy, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Kuta Bali, in Raya Kuta Street. It's really busy, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.